What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to a brand new video. Hope you guys are all having a wonderful day, and I hope you guys have a wonderful Thanksgiving. I'm not 100% sure when this video is going to go up, but regardless, today we're going to be going out to Auto Mafia Racing's headquarters and finally pick up Clifford. For some of you guys who haven't been tuned with the channel or the car or the build, I do drive a 2015 Mustang V6 that we finally just ended up turboing and finally got dyno tuned by Auto Mafia Racing, and I got to see is making some incredible power at 91 octane. So stay tuned, because I'm not going to reveal how much horsepower to the wheel he's doing quite yet, but you guys will see in either their video, because they did make a dyno run video. So if you guys want to check that video, I'll leave it in the link I'll leave the link in the description, or if you guys want to just keep watching this video, I'll eventually let you guys know what the actual horsepower to the wheel is. But enough talking, because I don't want to be late. I actually need to head out now so I can actually make it to the plane. But regardless, I know it's going to be a good time to go out there. I've never been on that side of the United States, so it's going to be a pretty long drive from Billings to Arkansas. So for some of you guys who don't know me personally, I actually moved to Arkansas a couple of months ago. So yeah, that trip is going to be from Montana to Arkansas, about 19-hour drive, and hopefully that shows you guys that if I can do it, it's going to be roughly 2,000 miles. That this kid is really reliable. That's going to be an 18-hour drive in one shot. I'm probably going to do 10 hours one day and then 8 hours the next day. But regardless, thank you for joining this journey. I hope you guys like this video. If you guys do, consider liking and subscribing, because we have a lot more things to come in the future. There's some cosmetic things I've already bought and am ready to install on Clifford as soon as we make it home. And I do plan on taking Clifford to the drag strip here soon, now that we're making a ton of power compared to stock. But enough talking, let's hurry up and get dressed, let's hurry up and get packed, so that way we can make it to the airport on time and actually pick up Clifford on time. So I'll catch you at the airport.
Wakes you up, the overplaying pattern of memory hides your true face.
Alrighty guys, so we finally made it to our first layover. We are in Denver, Colorado, so about 2 hours away from Billings, Montana. Currently just kind of rushing to the next flight, just because we had a little bit of a delay on the first one. There was some ice on the wing, so they had to clean that off so that we can leave. But yep, just chugging along. So can't wait to make it to Billings and finally make it to the Auto Mafia Racing headquarters. So thanks for joining along.
Looking for the one who's trying to be perfect, yeah. You'll try to match it, don't be sad if you don't make it. You hope for wonders, living life means making blunders. It can make you shatter, you will try to fight the thunders. Trust me no matter what happens, because I will stay by your side.
Well guys, we finally made it out here to Billings. Currently, I had to stop at a Walgreens to get some stuff, so currently I'm trying to figure a place to eat, because I didn't think this through and I didn't end up getting a rental, so kind of just walking around using Uber. Long story short, I forgot to communicate to Auto Mafia that I'm gonna be in town, and they're actually not in town today, so I'm just staying at a hotel tonight, and they said they'll be back in town tomorrow. So hopefully tomorrow, that is the day we'll be picking up Clifford. And then, as you guys should already know, we're gonna be doing an 18-hour drive home, so this is gonna be one heck of a drive. But I do have to say, so far from what I've seen out here in Montana, it is beautiful. I love the mountains. Out in Arkansas, it's nice too, don't get me wrong, but compared to Kentucky, where I came from, this is so much nicer. Anyways, just want to give you guys a quick update that I am here. Gonna get something quickly to eat, then head to the hotel. Then I'll see you guys tomorrow whenever we head to their headquarters. And oh my god, am I looking forward to it, because I am just so excited to finally get Clifford back. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the B-roll and the video so far, so there's more to come. Alrighty guys, well, we are in Clifford, finally on our way back home. Just because I didn't necessarily want to film that much or, you know, put him on the spot. I did end up talking to Wes, and I just have to say he's a phenomenal guy. It was amazing meeting Wes and Caleb, the people behind AMR, in person. They were amazing, you know, just talked quite a bit before I actually left, and just quick shout out to them. Quickly guys, if you guys want to check any of their stuff out, quick link in the description if you guys want to see what they do, what they sell. I'll link their YouTube channel and a link to their website if you guys want to buy a turbo kit just like this or any of their stuff. But yeah, so far I have not done a single pull, and I don't intend to actually do any pulls on this car until I get home. I just want to make sure I can make it home safely in one piece and not have to worry about anything. But what I do want to say, again, just quick shout out to them. They were amazing people, and I do want to say, being in their compound, in their garage, and just seeing all the stuff they're doing, I can tell you without a doubt they're doing amazing things. For some of you guys who don't know, they do stock other stuff. They do make a ton of it in-house, and as far as I'm aware, I don't think they outsource or you know, buy cheap stuff. They genuinely make all their stuff, and you know, I was able to see their CNC machines, some of their billet materials, and some of their billet stuff. Again, they're amazing people, and I would definitely love if you guys want to check them out. I'll leave a link in the description, so that way if you guys want to check any of that out. But other than that, I mean, time to make the drive out here in Arkansas. So far, the view looks amazing. We are about 20 minutes out. And yeah, it's about to be a long 18-hour drive. Like I said, I won't be doing any pulls until I get home, so we'll be reviewing the car and doing all of that once we get home. Also, we are going to make a video of me taking this to one of my friends, Dylan. If you guys seen the last video, he installed the wheels or the tires on the wells. We're going to be taking it to his shop, kind of going over the whole kit, making sure nothing, you know, on an 18-hour drive, you know, became loose or anything of that sort. But I'll give you guys updates as we go. I did restart my tachometer, or not tachometer, my trip settings, so that way I can see, honestly, what does my gas mileage look like after installing a turbo kit. Do I get worse gas mileage? Do I get better? Yeah, well, we'll see that together, because I thought it'd be cool information. But either way, hope you guys are having a wonderful day. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Honestly, in my brain, there's so much going on. I'm just trying to focus on making it one piece. Also, I wanted to record some stuff that I've seen in their compound, but just due to, you know, just wanting to be private, and also understand they might not necessarily want to be blasted on camera. I do know that they have their own YouTube channel, make their own stuff, but considering this is not for them, or they might not necessarily want to be in this video, again, I just chose to not really record anything. I did get to see Hurricane and Typhoon. They're 3.7, I think it's 2013, well, it's 2011 through 14 model Mustang. It's S197. They look incredible, and after speaking to them, they do have plans on reviving them, bringing them back. There's still stuff in the works, so can't wait to see that. And also, I know they're working on trucks. They gave me a little bit of glimpse of stuff they're working on in the future, not to spoil any of that stuff, but definitely check them out. I definitely gotta say, I will definitely be supporting them in the future. And yeah, just enough rambling about that. Hope you guys just enjoyed the video, and just to give you guys a quick view of what I'm looking at. Also, I'm trying to drive at the same time, so this is just an amazing, in my opinion, view. Again, out in Arkansas, I don't necessarily see this view all the time, all these mountains and stuff. So yeah, again, I'll give you guys updates as we fill up each time the car needs gas. So, you know, I think maybe with 3 or 4 tanks, I should be able to make it. Again, I'm literally just putting cruise control on and letting the car do its thing. So, but yeah, I'll see you on the next update. Alrighty guys, so we are here at our first stop. Honestly, I didn't even need the fuel. I only did 5 gallons, 20 bucks. So I literally just stopped because personally, I am super freaking tired. And I'm going to be getting a couple of Red Bulls, and decided, well, if I'm already going to be stopping, why not go ahead and get something, just because I have 16 hours left of this drive, so I've only been 2 hours in, and so far you know, Clifford's a champ. Like I said, I'm not going to be banging the gears. I'm not going to be pushing it to the limit by any means. I am just literally trying to get home to make sure everything else is good. But other than Clifford looking dirty, I mean, it sounds amazing. And I literally just can't wait to get home to finally beat it. But let's go ahead and get this Red Bull and let's get back on the road. And I'll see you on the next stop whenever we decide to get gas again.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you.
Well guys, we have finally made it home 18 hours later. I'm about 6-7 Red Bulls and running on 3 hours of sleep. I had to switch sweaters just because for, I want to say, the last 3 hours of the drive I was literally falling asleep, so I drove with the windows completely down. It's like 30-ish degrees. It's like 40 to 30 degree weather, and on top of that, the last 3 hours it was raining, so my other sweater is soaking wet, but that's the only way I can manage and not pass out. I did take a couple stops and tried to nap, but honestly, I think part of me trying to nap with that many Red Bulls in me and just the urge to finally get home and finally experience this and hit boost was just overwhelming, because I honestly have still yet to hit a pull with this. I did a very tiny one with Wes when we were at their compound, but other than that, I mean, I haven't really done anything. And that pull, I mean, we only went to 5k RPM, just literally got a taste of it. As soon as it hit boost, it puts you in your back, and oh my god, I cannot wait to finally feel that. And yeah, so I already started to edit some of the video, and one, I want to say I do apologize for covering the camera. This is a new lens, it's a wider lens, and I was recording without the tripod, without the gimbal, just kind of like I'm doing right now. So if the video is shaky, I do apologize. Also, I'm sorry I didn't record more of stuff with me and Wes or out there. It was just, things just kind of happened, and yeah. But I do want to say that tomorrow I'm actually going to be taking the car out to my friend Dylan's shop. We're going to end up doing a oil change and then just kind of reviewing everything, just to ensure that nothing got loose, nothing got unbolted, no lines or anything. Just a one over, and yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Again, next video we're going to be taking this car out, we're going to be reviewing everything, and then I'm going to be recording some of my friends' reaction to actually experience this car with me for the first time, because one thing that I actually love about cars is just sharing that with people, and people who are passionate about cars as well. And thankfully for me, out here in Arkansas, I've met already 4 or 5 people who I would say I'm really close with, who enjoy cars just as much as me, and I'm gonna love to show them my car, because they actually find it very interesting that I decided to boost a 3.7. But hey, this is what I'm with, and I'm honestly so glad that I purchased this car. But yeah guys, as you can see, I'm probably rambling as always, but I'm just so dead tired. I'm ready to go to sleep. It's super cold out here, and just I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope you guys comment, like, share, subscribe, and just know we have a lot more things coming in the works. Like, I'm having stuff being shipped out currently to me, because I knew as soon as I got this car, it's game time. It's been 7 months since I haven't really been able to record a video, and you know, I'm just so stoked and ready. The unfortunate part is we are entering winter, so this car is not going to be on the channel as long as I would like to for the next coming months. You know, I don't know when we get winter here in Arkansas, because this is my first winter here. But enough talking, guys. Hope you guys have a wonderful Thanksgiving. I'm pretty sure I'm uploading this Friday, so Black Friday. And guys, as always, you gotta grind to shine. And with that being said, I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Thank you for joining me in this journey, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace out.